Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is James and this is Killing It Country. We are back at Stewart's Equipment. This is the Erin Location. These guys have one open house behind them and two more coming up. Last weekend in Stayner, it was really windy. If you weren't blown away by the deals, you were probably carried away by the wind. So we're here, let's check it out. All right, well apparently there's keys in this one, so let's go for a drive. Kubota LX 2620. One of many tractors that will likely be available for you to drive if you come to the open house this weekend. So remember, this is the second of 3 open houses here at Stewart's Equipment. This weekend in Erin, you can stop in for lunch and speak with factory representatives. You can test drive equipment in their ride and drive area and so much more. We'll see you this weekend. That's Saturday, April 20th from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. at 9410 Wellington Road 124, north of Brampton.